How to sync subtitles using the Sync Via Other Subtitle feature. First go to File, Open, and open your out-of-sync subtitle. Here I opened an English subtitle and you can see that it starts from 30 seconds and is out of sync. But I also have another subtitle for this video which is synced, and I want to sync this subtitle based on my second language subtitle which is synced. To do this, just go to Synchronization and select Sync Via Another Subtitle. Next, select your second subtitle which is synced. Now on the left side, I have unsynced English subtitle and on the right side, I have a Persian synced subtitle. Select the first line of each subtitle, and click on Set Sync Point button. Then select the last line of each subtitle, and click on Set Sync Point button again. Now just click on Apply button. And you can see that the English subtitle is correctly synced based on Persian subtitle, and click OK. Now the English subtitle is synced.
Julia had always loved
Anyway
music
guys, thanks
ever
for
since she
watching
was
and
a
I
little
hope you
girl.
found this useful.